How to know whether your Gmail account is hacked or not. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Gmail. After that, make sure to log in with your real Gmail account or the account which you want to look for. After that, in the right upper corner, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on that. After that, you'll be able to see the Google account option, or in some device you may see manage your Google account option, so you can tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see these options. So here, scroll horizontally and tap on security option. After that, scroll down below and look for your devices option, so tap on that. So here you can see the devices in which your Gmail account is logged in. If your Gmail account is logged in new device, then you can know that your Gmail account is hacked. So for example, if one of the device over here is not your device, then you can simply tap on that. And from here you can tap on sign out and sign out of the device, and you can change your password and secure your Gmail account. So by following this simple step, you can know whether your Gmail account is hacked or not. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.